Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you today my kill switch for my 93 Integra GS. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, now that we're inside, I'm going to show you my kill switch. As you can see, nothing happens except for the stereo blinking on and off. Pretty much it. Then, go for the switch. Everything powers up. Starts up. There we go. Turn that off. Now I'll show you what I did. Alright, this is under the dash. So I'm going to show you which wire I used to cut for my Integra, which is an automatic, which was really simple. That's why I'm gonna, hopefully this helps out you guys. So what I did was cut this white thick wire, which is the only thick white wire, which I used the red wire to reroute, as you can see right there, and the other one's right here, which I used to reroute, which I should have cut more down here because I was very limited in space over here. And then, which is right there, have it hidden under the center console, which I have sticking out right here for right now. There you go. Which is a 2-prong, single, skinny little switch. Off, on, off, on. That's my switch. That's my kill switch. Hopefully this helps you guys out. Let me know. Alright, later.